In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate a video in Capcut Mobile completely for free. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Step 1 is to open Capcut. Once Capcut has been loaded, you want to click the fourth option, Video Translator. Click the plus icon to upload the video that you would like to translate on Capcut Mobile. Between classes, I found myself strolling through the park on Cap. You can choose to translate the English from to the desired new language, and then click Translate. Capcut Mobile is going to process the video you'd like to translate. This may or may not take some time, so be patient. If you get this warning, then click Try Again. And wait for this to load.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.